Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today, in front of me, I have this Lasko 40-inch wind tower. A little hard to see, but this is model 2517, and it needs quite a lot of cleaning. So in today's video, I'll be going through disassembling and cleaning this fan. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. After the back of the unit, there are going to be 2 Phillips head screws at the top, which need to be removed, as well as a Phillips head screw in the top left, 2 Phillips head screws in the bottom, and 1 specific type of screw in the top right. This is what the head of the screw looks like. After all those screws have been removed, we could begin prying from the bottom and gently prying the back cover apart. From here, you should have access to the actual fan. Yours may look similar if you have not cleaned it in a while or ever. It is very dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it. After the fan blades have been cleaned, we can reassemble the fan by first cleaning out the housing, clipping it back into place, and returning all screws back to their original locations, including this one as well. And there you have it, a simple cleaning procedure on this Lasko 40-inch tower fan. Just be mindful of that weird security screw. And that's it for today's video. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and also please consider subscribing if the video has helped you in any way. But once again, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.